Hello everyone and welcome. On my channel, I've covered a lot of different types of LED lights, but I have not yet covered LED light strips. Well, today we'll be changing that by looking at some cool LED light strips from Vont. I decided to add a little color to my shop for video production, and I picked these light strips from Vont. I've used their products before, and I've been satisfied, so it seemed like a smart choice. The reason I decided to try out these lights is because when making videos, I found that white light can be a little harsh on some items. So to solve that problem, I decided to add a little bit of background color to soften things up. So today I'll be adding these lights to my shop, and that way you guys can see how they perform and if it's something that you may be interested in. So let's get started. But before we do that, if you enjoy watching honest tool and product reviews plus helpful DIY projects, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you get notified every time I produce a new product review video or DIY video. Alright, so let's see what we have here. Here's a shot of the box for you. These are the LED light strips from Vont. Let's open this puppy up. Alright guys, so when you unbox this puppy, this is everything you get. Now this is the Smart LED Light Strip from Vont. Available on Amazon, link in description below. At the time of making this video, you can buy this kit in two different ways. You can get the 16-footer or you can get the 32-footer, whichever one best suits your needs. At the time of making this video, the 16-footer cost $23.99 and the 32-footer costs $35.99. And they also have a 40% off discount coupon on their Amazon page, making it even cheaper than that. So I suggest you dig into that before that coupon runs out. And these lights are adjustable. You can cut them to any length you want. So whether you want longer, shorter, join them together, whatever you want to do, you can make it happen with this light strip right here. So what do you get in the kit? Well, you get the light strip itself, you get the power cable to hook it up to power and light it up, and you get a control unit to be able to control the lights, whether they go on, off, the different colors you want, etc. You also get some mounting hardware to help you set that up. Now, this kit comes with a lifetime warranty, which is really quite excellent. So anything happens to them, they get lost, broken, stolen, whatever the case may be, Vont will take care of you. That is an amazing warranty as far as I'm concerned. This kit is also a Smart RGB Light Strip, which means that it can produce up to 16 million different colors for you to choose from. Whatever your mood, whatever your situation, you can get the color you want from this light strip. Now, how do you control it? How do you do all this stuff? Well, you have three different ways that you can control this unit and do whatever you want to do with it. It either comes with the hand controller, that'll give you some controls right there. You can download the Vont app onto your phone or tablet, control it that way. And it is also compatible with Alexa or Google Home, so you can control it that way as well. So you get a lot of flexibility as to how you want to control this unit. And if you're using Alexa or Google Home, you can use voice control to turn these guys on and off and do whatever you want to do. Now with the Vont app, you have a lot more granular control, and you can control such things as the color, the theme, the brightness, timers, turn it on and off remotely, etc. You can set up timers and have it go on and off all by itself, whatever time you choose it to do so. So these light strips are great for so many different things. They're great for video production, mood lighting, security, festivities, parties, holidays, or any time you want a splash of color in your life. These lights can be very useful for people that need to settle down at night before going to bed. Set the light to a color that helps you relax so you can get to sleep more easily. They're also great for setting the mood, whether it's a romantic mood or having fun with music at parties or adding color motion when listening to music, gaming, or watching movies. The colors can change with the sound in the room, making it even more interesting and enjoyable. You can also adjust the color to suit every holiday throughout the year. After all, the color-changing lights are the perfect decoration that's with you all year round. So let's hook these puppies up and see exactly how they perform. Alright guys, so I have the lights set up temporarily. I put up the light so I can demonstrate it for you guys, but this is all temporary for me because I have to do a little bit of experimentation and find out what is the best setup for me as far as getting the proper downlighting that I want for the different projects that I do. So I'm going to tinker around, I'm going to move them around to different locations and so forth so I can get the best lighting for me. But I wanted to set it up temporarily so I can demonstrate them for you guys so you can see exactly what these lights are, how they look, how bright they are, how they perform, etc. So basically right now I just took a little bit of tape and I put them up on the ceiling right here so I can look at them, play with them, mess around, see exactly how they perform. But if you want to install them, they do have some double-sided tape on the back of the light strip, and you can use that to put them anywhere you want. They also come with some hardware that I showed you earlier, where they come with these little clips that you can use if you want to install them on a certain location where the tape may not work out for you. These guys can either be screwed in place, or they also have double-sided tape, so you can use that, whatever works best for you. Now these lights, like I also mentioned earlier, you can set it up in different ways and control them in a multitude of different ways. With Alexa, Google Home, you can set it up with the Vont app and use that to control it. Or if you don't want to bother, you want to use them right out of the box and you don't want to bother with an app, then all you do is control it manually with this little controller box that comes with it. Very easy to do. As you see, I have it hooked up with that right now. And this guy has the power button there, the different colors that you can use to control it, and the different effects that go with it. So these three little buttons can do pretty much anything you want to get the lights to perform however you want them to. But they do not have as much flexibility as the app does. If you want to be able to set them up and turn them on and off from anywhere in the world through Wi-Fi, you need the app. If you want to set up timers and stuff like that, you need the app. This is only for physical control when you are present and you can do it yourself. And as you see right there, I'll move it out of the way and you can see I can rotate through them and I can change the different colors and stuff like that and have them do different things like that. Previously they were blinking to voice command or music command or whatever it is. But if you just want to do basic things like changing the colors and stuff, this little controller box works perfectly for all of that. So let me move the camera back and I'm going to show you everything with the lighting and show you exactly how it lights up the space when all the lights are turned off. So let me move the camera and get that all set up. All right, guys, so here we are. Again, I moved the camera back and I darkened all the lights. So the only light in here right now are the light strips. And I'm going to show you right now on the app how easy it is to do all the changes that you want on the app. For example, going through and selecting colors. You can select pretty much any color that you want on the app and it'll do it for you very, very easily. So you can do that from home or another room, any part of the world, wherever you want to go. You can change the colors very easily. You can also go into the color wheel, and with the color wheel, you can easily manipulate the colors there as well, and it will just rotate through. It's a way to have a little more granular control over the different lighting effects that you want to have. You can exit out of that, and you can select many of the other different functions. For example, you can go to scene right there, and you can select whatever scene you want from there. As you see, you have a whole bunch of different scenes that you can pick from, and you can select that one. Or it depends what mood you're in. If you want enthusiastic, you can go to that. Or again, if you want just dreamland, you want something calming and so forth. So you don't have to create your own themes. You can just go with whatever it has available and use that to calm you down, get you excited, whatever it is that you want to do. You can go into the DIY method and create whatever you want from there and go crazy, have as much fun as you want playing around with it and creating your own scenario. You can go into the music one right there, which basically vibrates to whatever you're listening to. In this case, you're listening to my voice, and that's exactly what it's vibrating to. So there you have it. You can have a lot of fun with this little application. All right, guys, there you have it, a review and demonstration of the Vont LED light strips. If you want to add some color to your location, you can do so very easily with these light strips. Use them to light up your room for fun and entertainment. They can be synced up to games, movies, or music. Use them to light up your house for holiday decoration or for security reasons. If you're looking for an inexpensive smart lighting device that you can set on timers or control remotely from any part of the world, this is a great way to go. Use them with a handheld controller, with Alexa, or with the Vont app. You can use your imagination and do whatever you want with these inexpensive and easy to use light strips. Check out their Amazon page for complete details. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hit that thumbs up button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye for now.